What's up YouTube? Welcome to our new channel Bullet Makriz. It's a new start here and this is our first vlog video, and today we're going to show you my friend's bullet delivery video of Classic Tribute 500. Now Jibin will take us to the Royal Enfield showroom and he will give us the further information there. So let's go.
Hi friends, you know where I am? I'm in a Royal Enfield showroom. I am here for my friend's delivery of Classic 500cc. Okay, let's ask him how is his experience. Yeah, he's here for the delivery of his Royal Enfield Classic 500cc. So let's ask him how is his experience.
I feel really proud to be a part of the Royal Enfield family right now, and it's my first bike, and I'm really happy. I'm glad to having this bike. Thank you very much.
Okay, you are so excited for your bike, right?
Yes.
Okay. And his bike is a Tribute 500cc, which is a limited edition last 500cc, which is in stock right now.
After a decade, it's happening like tribute back. It's a tribute to all the 500 classic series.
It's his biggest dream.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoy this video. This was a short delivery video presented to you all, and we need your love and support so that we can able to make such videos for you guys in future. Please smash the like button, subscribe it and share with your friends so that you never miss a video from Bullet Makriz. And thank you from my whole team to you all guys for watching this video. If you like us, please follow us on Instagram. And once again, thank you guys for your love and support, and see you next time. Till that time, bye guys, have a good day.